Hey there, homeowners. If you've been thinking about upgrading your home and want to make smart improvements that actually pay off when you sell, this video is for you. I'm John Hurlbut, realtor and certified real estate planner, and today I'm sharing the top 10 home upgrades that actually boost your home's value, not just drain your wallet. No fluff, no trendy fads, just real improvements that buyers love and that home inspectors and appraisers will notice. We're going old school today and doing this David Letterman style, starting with number 10. The number 10 home upgrade to boost your home's value: attic insulation. Okay, so it's not glamorous, but it's an invisible money saver, keeps heating bills low, and boosts energy scores. Appraisers notice, buyers love it. Number 9, adding a deck or patio. In the Pacific Northwest, we love our outdoor living spaces. A well-built deck or patio can turn a yard into a retreat, and buyers will pay for that dream. During COVID, we built our patio cover and extension, and it's now the most used space in the home. There's nothing like sitting in the hot tub in November watching the Kraken games. Number 8, garage door replacement. Yes, it sounds boring, but it has one of the highest returns on investment of all home upgrades. Sleek, modern garage doors instantly boost curb appeal. Oh, and a pro tip, get an insulated garage door. We just insulated ours last winter, and it's made a huge difference. Number 7, fresh interior paint. Neutral is the move. Nothing says move-in ready like a fresh coat of neutral paint. Think warm grays, soft whites, or cozy grayish tones. Stay away from the neon green, unless you're into regrets. Look, I love my Seahawks and Sounders, and I'm not painting a room that color. Number 6, smart home features. Add a smart thermostat, video doorbell, and smart lights. Buyers love tech, and it gives your home a modern edge without major renovations. There aren't too many of our most commonly used lights in our home that are not on a smart switch. There's nothing better than sitting down to dinner, realizing you left the kitchen lights on, and simply saying, "Alexa, turn off the kitchen lights." Oh, and here's a secret. If I show a buyer your home and you have an Amazon Alexa, I'm adding toilet paper to your shopping list. Number 5, refinished or replaced flooring. Old carpet is a turnoff. Replace with luxury vinyl, hardwood, or tile. Makes your home feel newer instantly. We tore out our real hardwood floors and replaced them with luxury vinyl plank. Best thing we ever did. Number 4, energy efficient windows. New windows equal lower utility bills, plus better insulation and tax incentives. Buyers in Washington love a warm home in winter and a cool one in August. If you've got windows with the fog or rain in between the panes, maybe time for an upgrade. Home inspectors will always call that out. Number 3, curb appeal. First impressions count. Fresh coat of paint, a new front door, updated house numbers, and tidy landscaping can add thousands to your home's value. And yes, mowing the lawn still works. Number 2, bathroom refresh. New vanity, lighting, faucets, and a low-flow toilet equal high-impact update without major demolition. Buyers love clean, modern bathrooms. Oh, and I'll add a washlet or bidet seat onto this list. My wife and I were in Hawaii a number of years ago, and our hotel had a washlet in the bathroom. After that vacation, I had to have one. It's been a great upgrade to our primary bath. Before we get to number 1, why not take just a second to click that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any more no-nonsense tips on building wealth through real estate. Okay. And finally, the number 1 update you can do to your home to increase its value before selling. Minor kitchen remodel. Big bang for less buck. Kitchens sell homes, but you don't need to do a $60,000 gut job. New cabinet fronts, updated hardware, fresh backsplash, energy efficient appliances. If your kitchen has Formica countertops, don't feel the need to upgrade to quartz or granite unless you're staying for a while. This refresh isn't about an entire kitchen remodel. It's about updating the look of your kitchen for the new buyer. Major upgrades rarely return the money you spend, so only do those if you're going to enjoy it for a while. So there you have it, 10 home upgrades that actually add value and get you a solid return when it's time to sell. Thinking about which of these makes the most sense for your home? I'd be happy to walk you through it. Just shoot me a message or book a free seller strategy session at the link below. And don't forget, with over 22 years of experience, I have all the contractors you need to complete any of these upgrades you may be considering. Don't hesitate to reach out for a referral. I'm John Hurlbut with the Altitude Homes team. Catch you at the next one.